Hi, Kelly. Yeah. May 30th, 2007, 8:27. Let's see, how's that? In the morning. And Kelly's taking a pee. And today's the day Zack Blomberg is supposed to take down these trees. So, situation is this. These two trees here are encroaching into our septic tank, which is right over here. And so we felt that it was best to take down these two. Of course, it could always be more trees than just these two, but these two are quite big, one being very small on the left, but you can see going up the tree, that is another big tree. These two here are supposed to be ground down to ground level. This tree here, to the left, to the right of the mudroom, is also coming down. You can see that, and the tree behind it also. We're going to grind these stumps down. And you can see that these two here are very big trees. I have no idea how tall they are. And then the last tree on this side of the house is this one over here, which is very, very close to the house and in a precarious root situation. And of course, this is probably the biggest of all of them. And this one is coming down. And from what I understand from Zack is that he'll be bringing all or some of them down from the top in pieces. Another shot of the big tree by the house. Bright, clear, sunny day, not a gust of wind. These two trees here were kind of optional trees, but we decided to take them down because I could be putting in a new garage here sometime and it'd just be in the way. So it's this tree right here and this tree right here. And again, they are all pretty large trees. If I can find the markings, I will go mark them too here in just a minute before they get over here and get started. You can see from this side of the house, the back side of the one tree that'll be coming down. And there's another perspective of it, as well as the two trees closest to the septic tank area. And relative height of those, I have no idea how high those trees are. And then Kelly, of course, wants to roll in the grass. What are you doing, Kelly? Woof. Kelly. Kelly.